Hello, welcome to my house and welcome to my channel. I'm Laura Cepeda and today I have something incredible to share with all of you. When my daughter was pregnant, I made this beautiful poncho for her. Well, this poncho in half moon it's perfect for you even to wear it like this, or if you are carrying your baby and you want to feed him, well, you can use it like this and it's very useful for the new moms. And if you have a gift or a baby shower or something that you would like to give to this new mom and to give the welcome probably to your baby, well, this idea is perfect and very useful. And the best is that the steps are very easy to follow. But well, first I will give you the material list and then the step by step. Let's start. Well, for this poncho we are going to need 600 grams of this material that it's between light and medium weight yarn, right? I will use the hook of number 3 or 3.5 millimeters and we will start right in the center. To start, we will make 10 chains. And 10. Well, then we are going to close in circle like this. We will slip one. We will take both threads. Then from here we will go up with 1, 2, 3 chains. We will turn over and then inside we are going to make 24 double crochet out of 3 crochet. So here we have 1, then 2 and 3. So this is the double crochet of 3 crochet like this. We are going to make 24. Well, at the end of the 24th double crochet we will slip one to close. As you could see, I made all of them inside the 10 chains. Well, then we are going to slip one more next to it, and right there we will go up with 1, 2 and 3 chains. This will count as one double crochet. Then 2 chains more, and then in the same place a double crochet out of 3 crochet, you see, and like this we will have a V. Then 1 chain, 2 chains. We will skip one and next to it a double crochet. Then we will make 2 chains and in the same place a V again. And like this is how we are going to continue the whole rows. Between V's we are going to make 2 chains and skip one space. Okay, at the end we must have 12 V's, okay, out of the 24 double crochet that we had before. And once we are sure and we count, we are going to slip one to close and circle. Then we are going to slip one more right in the middle of the V, and we are going to make V over V. So here we will go up with 3 chains, then 2 chains between double crochet, and in the same place a double crochet, then 1 chain. So here I have 1 V, and between V's we are going to make a double crochet, then 1 chain, and again V over V. And like this is how we are going to continue the whole row. As you could see, between V's we are going to make 1 chain, a double crochet and 1 chain. And like this the whole row, and V's over V's. Again the double crochet out of 3 crochet. Well, at the end of the row we are going to finish with 1 chain and we are going to slip one to close. Now we are going to make the same, but we are going to increase the number of double crochet. So we will keep making V over V, but here between these chains, the 1 chain that we made between double crochet and V's, right there we are going to make a double crochet, but I will show you. So here we are going to make a V, then as you could see, V over V, then 1 chain, and here in the first space a double crochet, then 1 chain, and in the other space a double crochet, then 1 chain. As you could see, instead of making 1 double crochet we made 2, then 1 chain, and then V over V. And remember, here between the double crochet of the V we are going to make 2 2 chains. And while following this pattern, we are going to continue making more rows. In the next row, instead of making 3 double crochet, we will make 4, 5, 6, and always V over V until we get the size of the circle that we want. It has to be a perfect circle. Well, look, counting the first row until here, I have 38 rows, okay? So I want to show you, so counting the first row, okay? Then as you could see here, we have the V's, and then we increased. First we have 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and like this I increased. And well, to me this size is perfect with 38 rows, but if you want to make it bigger, well, you will need more material. But so far I think it's enough. Now I will show you how we are going to close it. Well, once we are sure of the rows that we have and of the size, we are going to fold right in half, right here where we have this V where we started. And we are going to make 2 single crochet inside each space, okay? And please make sure that you take both sides of the poncho. And please also go in order and match perfectly one side with the other. Like this, taking both parts, we are going to keep making in each space 2 single crochet until we finish. And well, we will have something like this, 2 in each space. Well, once we've finished, we are going to make the last row for the edge. So we will make 1, 2, 3 and 4 chains. We will skip one and next to it a double crochet, again out of 3 crochet, then 1, 2, 2 chains. We will skip 2 spaces and then a double crochet. And as you could see, once we are going to skip 1 space and then 2 spaces, we are going to alternate, and always we are going to make 2 chains. Okay, here we left 2 and then 1, then 2 and 1. And well, here let's review. So 2 chains, we'll skip 2 and then a double crochet. Then next one we are going to skip only 1 space, but always we will make 2 chains between, and like this the whole row. And well, this will be the second row of the edge. So we will go up with 3 chains, then a double crochet, and well, then here we are going to make 1 chain, then here a V, then 1 chain, and again a double crochet inside this space, then 1 chain, and finally over this double crochet a double crochet. So we will have this kind of shell inside of each square. Then right away next to it we are going to go and make a double crochet over double crochet, and then 1 chain right here inside a V, so a double crochet, 1 chain, and in the same place a double crochet, and over this last double crochet a double crochet. As you could see before it, I made 1 chain, and like this is how we are going to repeat the whole row. And well, here if you could tell, we have a flip a V, and then here we have a V. Well, like this we are going to continue the whole row following this pattern. Well, at the end of the row we are going to start the number 3, so we will go up with 4 chains, and then here in the V, in the first double crochet of the V right there, we will make a double crochet, then 2 chains. We are going to make right here a double crochet, then 5 chains. And well, as you could see, we are making the double crochet over the V's. Here, double crochet over double crochet, then we are going to make 2 chains, and again the double crochet over the second double crochet of the V, you see? And once we are going to leave 2 chains between and once 5. So here, according to the pattern, we are going to make 5 chains, and then over this double crochet of the V we are going to make 1, then 2 chains, and then again a double crochet. And this is how we are going to continue in this third row of the edge. Well, at the end of the row we are going to turn around. We will go up with 3 chains first for the double crochet plus 2 chains between the next double crochet that we are about to make here over the first double crochet, and well, here we are going to make the first flipped V, okay, and right away a double crochet. And well, then right here in the middle we are going to make first 2 chains, then we will insert the hook right here in the middle. We are going to make a double crochet and we are going to make a V, okay? So 2 chains and in the same place a double crochet. Then we will have something like this so far. So this is the 4th row, remember. Then 2 chains, turn over, a double crochet over the last double crochet, and a double crochet right away over the last double crochet to make the flipped V. And like this is how we are going to continue the whole row. At the end of the row, we will start the 5th row, okay? So we will go up with 4 chains. Then in the first double crochet right there, we are going to make a double crochet. Then 1, 2, let me take more yarn, okay? So 3, 4, and 5. We will go to the next V, and over it we are going to make a double crochet, then 2 chains and a double crochet. So here we are going to make a square, you see? So we will have something like this. Over the V we are going to make a square, then 5 chains. We will skip all of this space, and over the V we are going to make an square. So double crochet over double crochet, and between them 2 chains, okay? So we will have something like this. This is how we are going to continue the whole row. Basically, we are going to repeat what we made in the 3rd row. Well, let's continue. Well, at the end of the row number 5, we are going to start the row number 6. Okay, this will be one of the rows before we made the last. We will go up with 3 chains, and right here in the middle we are going to make a V. So we are going to make a double crochet, then 2 chains and a double crochet, then 1, 2 chains, and right here in this square we are going to make the flip V. So you could see after the double crochet, without making any chain or so, we are going to make the next double crochet. So we are going to repeat what we made in this row in the number 4th, right? Then 2 chains, and right here in the middle, then a V, then a double crochet, 2 chains and a double crochet in the same place to make the V. Then 2 chains, and right away we are going to make the flip V. So like this is how we are going to continue the whole row following this pattern, okay? Well, here we are finishing 3, 4, 5, the 6th row, right? The 6th row. So now we are going to make the last. So we will go up with 3 chains. Then we will turn over, and inside the V we are going to make a shell with picots. So a double crochet, then 2 chains. We are going to come back right here where we finished the double crochet, insert the hook, lightly in the hook, and bring them through. Again, a double crochet, then 2 chains. we are going to come back and insert the hook right here to make the picot. Then again turn over, make a double crochet. We will go up with 2 chains, come back to make a picot. So far, as you could see, we have 3 double crochet with 3 picots. Then this will be the number 4, slip 1, and then here we are going to make the 5th double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, and 4 with picots and 5 double crochet, right? Then 3 chains, and we will right here in the middle make a single crochet, okay, where we made this flip B. Then we are going to repeat 1, 2, 3 chains, and right here in the V inside we are going to make the shell that we made, remember, with 5 double crochet and with 4 picots. Then after 3 chains and single crochet, and this is basically how we are going to make the whole row. This will be the last one. And well, with this we are going to finish, okay? I want to make this last shell with you so you can see exactly how it is. And remember to crochet a little bit loose. Please enjoy it, relax, and also at the end, this is a secret to always have a beautiful project, okay? And if you feel that you can't crochet loose, well, change the number of your hook for a bigger number. It will be helpful. So here we are about to finish this shell, okay? 5 double crochet with 4 picots, then 3 chains, and then we are going to make a single crochet right here. Well, see you at the end of this row. Well, what do you think? I hope that you all have enjoyed making this beautiful poncho with me. Remember that it's perfect if you are about to have a baby or if you know someone that will have one. This kind of garment, it's very useful to fit, okay? But well, also you can make it for yourself and put a beautiful brooch or so. I think it's so beautiful for any occasion. Thank you so much for watching until the end of this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to give me a like and to share this video if you like it. See you soon in the next video, and let's start to make something beautiful for these coming holidays. Enjoy, and also follow me in all my social media in Facebook, Pinterest, TikTok and in Instagram. Thank you so much and take care. See you soon. Bye.